balikan lang yung sinabi ni Sen Laila, nung siya, kahit na alam naman nating lahat at napatunayan eventually na trump up yung mga charges, hinarap niya. Hindi siya nagtago. Diba? Yun eh.
Tama yun.
Be man enough to confront your charges.
Exactly. Kasing umikot din the last few days, baka daw magtago sa Senate eh.
Oo nga pala.
Si Senator Bato. Kayo uniquely positioned to actually comment on that dahil na-experience yung first hand yan. So, anong tingin nyo dito sa ano na to?
Okay, unang-una, hindi ako nagtago sa Senado.
Eksakto!
And then, although I must clarify, in fairness, I must clarify also na hindi ko naman mai-invoke yung immunity. Kasi yung crimes na charge ako, for which I was charged, kasi sa immunity, yung not more than
6 years.
6 years.
Tama.
Di ba yung mga charge sa akin, drug cases.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So mga life imprisonment yung imposable penalty. Now ito naman kay Senator De La Rosa, crimes against humanity yan eh. So grave offenses din yan eh. So how can that be justifiable under the constitutional yung immunity na accorded to members of Congress while it's in session.
Tama.
Di ba? Ang sinasabi lang naman sa provision na yan is hindi pwedeng arestuhin ang isang miyembro ng Kongreso habang in session for a crime yung imposable penalty is not exceeding
6 years.
6 years. Ano ba yung crime na kinakaharap ni Senator Bato? Although wala pa naman talagang warrant of arrest na yan eh. So it's now being formally indicted there. Crimes against humanity.
Tama.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Crime of murder as a crime against humanity.
Tama.
That cannot be a minor offense, and then that cannot be just imposable by less than 6 years. So pwede ba niyang i-invoke yan? And even assuming na pwede, hindi naman indefinite.
Tama.
Hindi naman pwedeng magtago na lang siya magtago o sisiksang. Kasi nga, in session lang. Kung mag-break na, mag-recess na, like the mag-break na yan, the recess.
Yeah.
Hindi na pwede. Pwede na siyang arestuhin. Pero